Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to automatically install security updates in iOS 26.1 or later. Apple has changed how you install the security updates on your iPhone and iPad. This feature ensures your device receives the latest security patches and system improvements without requiring manual intervention. By enabling it, you can safeguard your data, stay protected from emerging threats, and keep your device running smoothly all in the background. That's it, let's get started. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then we have to choose privacy and security option to proceed. Then we have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the background security improvements option. And finally, you have to enable the toggle for automatically install and you're all set. The feature automatically downloads and installs important security fixes as they become available, but does it silently on your device. Previously, you had to download rapid security responses through the Settings app, just like a normal iOS update. And that's about it. Once you have turned on automatic security updates, your device will quietly handle all future patches and fixes. It's a pretty simple way to make your device always has the latest protection without lifting a finger. So stay updated, stay secure, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your device is always protected. And I'll catch you up in the next one.